Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have the Journal Junk Box. This is the second time we've had this box on the channel and I am so happy to get in here and check it out. We loved it last time. I loved it, you guys loved it, so let's get in here and check this one out. This box was sent to me for review from Journal Junk Box, and they have given me a code, Kathrin Love, and with that code on their site, you will get 15% off your first box purchase. That is what it looks like when we open it up. You guys know, I love pens, papers, all stationery type things, so last time it was Paris, so I can't wait to see. It was themed so well. I cannot wait to see what June's theme is. So June is Summer for Self-Care, and that is what the card looks like. And on the back, it will just tell us what products we have and their value. I have the journal box, but they also have a journal junk sack. And I will try and put a picture up here of the journal junk sack for you. And it is $30.95. If you would like this box that I have, it is $53.95, but you will have 15% off if it's your first one with my code. I'm so inspired by the pretty flowers on the card. I cannot wait to get in here. Ooh, you know you're off to, I can't see a thing, but you know you're off to a good start when you have really pretty pink shred. And when I pull it out, we can see just a little bit. First out of the box, we have a Tame the Mane hair turban. And this is quick drying, helps tame frizz, super absorbent. So it's a hair turban and it's pretty. Look what it looks like. It's like floral. Let me take it out and show you guys. It's floral and it has green and pink. And when you open it up, look how pretty. So pretty. So it's a hair turban and it's got greens, and can you guys see the pinks on it? It's got greens and pinks on it. Super pretty. So we jumped right into the June self-care theme. I'm thrilled with that. This was closed with this one band through itself so cleverly. Let's see if I can even begin to work that out. I don't think I can. Oh, maybe I can. Oh my goodness. Look, I'm gonna show that off because I did it. I feel so impressed with myself, guys. Just because I resealed a bag? Yes. That's all it takes to make me happy in a day. And it kind of shows you how to use it. Very cool. Next out, we have washi tape. That is, so, if you do any kind of journaling at all, this is so much fun to journal with. And it's from American Crafts. I love, can you guys see the prints on that? That is so much fun. And basically what it is, if you've never used washi tape, is it's just tape with designs on it. Honestly, I'm not sure why they call it washi tape. There's no washing involved. It's probably a foreign word, but it's just tape and you can peel it off and use it just like tape in, like I said, journals or to seal birthday cards. I have some white paper that I wrap gifts in sometimes, and you can do the seams with a really pretty washi tape. I love that look. My girls love it just to play with. If they come over, they love to do designs on paper with it, so it's fun to have around for that. It's $10.99, but I'm here to tell you, washi tape in stores is expensive. Next out, I have pens. 3.5 millimeter gel pens. But see how the designs on them go with what we're doing? I'm gonna go ahead and open these up because you guys know I love a pen. I love pens. Pens and papers. This is my notes for the Journal Junk Box. I write everything down. They write in the color of the top of them. So, well, I'm writing the word orange. Now that I'm writing it out, it feels a little more pink to me. So I don't have my glasses on. We'll have to see what that looks like. But that one is, it wrote really nicely. They're gel pens. Let's see. I bet this one, I'm just gonna start writing. I bet this one writes in black. Yep. And this one, let's see if it writes in teal. This one's super pretty. Can you see the floral on that? So pretty. I started writing in teal and it's pretty much teal. So I nailed the second two. I love having pens around and colored gel pens, super fun. Next we have Dear Lizzie. Oh my goodness. I was like, what are they, stickers? No, they're paper clips. How stinking cute is that? So we have flamingos and ice cream and cactus and camera, and I guess that's like a Japanese lantern. So pretty. You could use those in your journaling or in your planners to mark dates. I'm not sure what I'm going to use them yet for. Maybe up here to keep my information about all my boxes together, but super pretty. Next out, we have a Ocean Spray Foaming Salt Scrub. Dive into the ocean, scrub, lather, and reveal fresh, glowing skin. So that is what that looks like. So we get a nice bath. It probably smells fantastic. I'm not gonna open it because I don't know how quick the clock is on it, but I love baths, so that will be wonderful. Next, oh my goodness, 3D stickers. These are so cute. I couldn't use these in my planners because they're so thick, but if you do any kind of scrapbooking or you make your own cards, or again, to seal a birthday card or to put on the front of, like if you do like I do sometimes, white paper with the washi tape seams, put that on the front of a gift. There are a million, believe it or not, a million uses I could think of for these. They are 3D and they are so stinking cute. How summery and fun are they? Beach, love this. Perfect day. Little, look, little flip-flops by the tree. Those are so fun. It says there's 14 of them. Oh my goodness. Look at this blue and pink. It looks like a wet brush to me. Let's see. Detangling hair. Yeah, so it's a detangling wet brush. Oh my gosh. How much? Oh my gosh. With the flamingos on it. I mean, could that be any cuter? I do not think it could. Oh my goodness. I love this. All right, now our last two things, and it looks like they match. Our first is a little notebook that you could keep in your purse if you want. I know exactly what I'm gonna do with this, and that is so cute. Each year at Christmas, I keep a book, and I know you're not looking at this and instantly thinking Christmas, but I'm here to tell you it is the perfect size for me. So this is exactly what I'm gonna do with it. Each year for Christmas, I take a piece of paper, and I put all of our family members. Some people get their own whole page, like my daughter or my granddaughters. Some other people share pages, but I make lists of ideas that I have for people, what I have already picked up, because I will forget. I just will. You guys see me open boxes and be surprised about what's in them when I have actually chosen the items. I write it all down, and this is the perfect size to have at the house or to tuck in my purse and go. So here we are in early June, and I'm telling you, this is my Christmas notebook. And to go with it, except for I'm probably gonna start using this one now, we have a bigger spiral notebook. And it's that same design. How pretty is that? If you love notebooks, it is so pretty. I love that the paper, can you guys see, compared to, like, this is the inside of the book, and then the paper here, I hope that comes across, how this is white and this has a little bit of a linen color to it. That is so nice. I love notebooks. I write down so many things. I do my meal planning in notebooks. I plan things that have out dates, like, you know, Disney World. I just write everything down. So I am happy. I want to put my glasses on and see this closer. This looks posh. The cover feels very posh to me. It has a really, it has a nice look that I wouldn't mind sitting on my nightstand to keep my notes in with like a little pen across it. That is our box for June of the Journal Junk Box. I think they knocked it out of the park again. I really enjoy this box. You guys will have to let me know what you think below. But this month we got this full spiral notebook and then the little notebook that matches it that I know I've said is a Christmas notebook. And you guys are out there thinking it's totally weird, but you have to do what makes you happy. I have these gorgeous washi tapes and the wet dry brush. I almost want to put it backwards. How cute is that with the flamingos on it? Our 3 gel pens that kind of write in the color of their tops. These gorgeous, gorgeous 3D stickers. Love them. Ocean spray from Bella and Bear. I should tell you that. Bella and Bear, your own kind of beautiful ocean spray foaming salt scrub. Can't wait to try that. Are these not the cutest paper clips you've ever seen? Those are adorable. Uh-oh. And, oh, speaking of uh-oh, and the turban. I'll keep it out here. We have this nice turban to go with our theme. Look how well it goes with your notebook. If you were just sitting down, that's almost Insta-worthy. With this on your head, writing in your notebook with that cover showing. Gorgeous. So that is the June Journal Junk Box. I will put the link and my code, Kathrin Love, below, which will get you 15% off your first box if you have any interest. Thank you so much for coming by to check this out. I love this box. You guys know I love stationery, and they do stationery and a theme so well. So summer is for self-care is the June box. And your June journal prompt is describe the most perfect beach day. So that's a fun prompt for using in your journal. My most perfect beach day is it's warm, it's plenty warm, but it's not too hot. And it's plenty sunny, but it's not too sunny. You'll see a real theme with mine. Menopause has been a nightmare. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I appreciate you taking the time to be here, spending this time with me. Please give us a thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And I'll see you really soon, I hope. Go out there, have some self-care on the beach when it's sunny but not too sunny, and warm but not too warm. Bye, guys.